halinfer lounge bed. They're hand woven, handmade, rope design, tie-dye design. They're very easy to disassemble. They're very easy to assemble. You have three modes. Mode 1, which is 1.5 inches of height. Mode 2, which is on a slant. And of course, mode 3, when you open up, under 2 seconds. If you have a guinea pig, bearded dragon, a small reptile, an animal that needs to have a bed to lie on, these products may be right for you. We're going to show you a reptile, showing you what it looks like set up. Your hobby, your interest, place the bed the best possible way for you. If you want to lie it down, allow your lizard to get acquainted. Reptile beds for any pet you own. I hope this product is something you're looking for to help out your reptile in having a comfortable area to rest on. Enjoy your products of the lounge beds.